Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to cook Accra Kenkey or Ga Kenkey as we call it. It's a food popularly eaten by the Ga tribe in Ghana. So what I do is I do my corn dough and I leave it for 3 days to ferment. Now I divided it and this is the fermented one. So I divided it into half and I'm gonna cook this one. So when I cook this one, after cooking, then I'm gonna add it to the fermented one. Then we're gonna do our Ga Kenkey or Accra Kenkey. So follow me. When cooking it, you have to add a little bit of salt in it. Fellas, this is what we're gonna use to wrap our Kenkey, and it's important to know that whilst you are cooking it, it's better you soak this in the water so that you keep it very soft. The way you cook bamboo, this actually food is very similar to tamales, Mexican tamales. So if you are new to my channel, go to YouTube and click on Global Kitchen. Please subscribe and click on the notification button for every notification. Thank you. Add our half cook into the raw one that we made, the raw fermented. You just mix the half cook with the raw fermented one uncooked. So right now what I'm doing right now is I'm stirring the half cooked one into the uncooked one. I just have to give it a stir. That's all I have to do right now. Just give it a good stir. So fellas, right now we are gonna mold it. Okay, and just so you take one of these, okay, like this. Then you take another one. Remember we soaked it in water, so right now it's very soft. So we use it to cover it. You just have to hold the tip like this, just to give it a very good tight cover, like this. Okay, and all you have to do is you hold the other end point of it, you squeeze it, then you find a hole and you put it in the hole. So that is gonna be your number one. You put it right here. We're done it with our Kenkey. Now we're gonna boil it, and at this time we have to put some of the corn husks at the bottom of the bowl that you're gonna cook it on. Just put them. It's nicely done, like as you can see. Wrapped it with a little bit of rubber to make it intact. So here is it. Now we're gonna put water in it and boil it. So I'm teaching you the traditional way of blending. I could do this in a blender, but sometimes I want to go the traditional way a little bit, not to forget my root. So this is tomatoes, onion, and raw pepper that I blend. In the olden days, this is how forefathers and grandmothers were blending her stuff. This is one of the ways. There's another several ways, but like I'm saying, for the benefit of cooking and eating healthy, sometimes you have to go traditional as much as possible to teach the new young ones how it was done before blender came into being. So guys, this is our Kenkey or Accra Kenkey from Ghana. It's done and it's finished. Look at how beautiful it is. Well garnished big fish with our corned beef and a grounded pepper. Yummy.